Hey, hun, welcome to Dynasty Beauty. I'm Danae J. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the kingdom. So, today's look is super fun and cute. I've used a lot of pink colors, and on Wednesdays we wear pink. So, this look was kind of inspired by Mean Girls. I was watching it the other night and I was like, hey, let me try to do a pink look because you know, pink is my favorite color, aka rose gold. But yeah, so this is the look, and I hope you guys continue to watch to see how I achieve this look and show me some love down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And without further ado, let's get into the look. Okay, eyes are fully prepped and ready to go. For the most part, I might not show you guys. Usually I show you guys the palettes that I'm using in the colors, but I'm gonna just tell you the palettes that I'm gonna use and just go ahead and use the colors. But the first one is Huda Beauty's Desert Storm palette. This is a really good pretty palette. That's one palette I'm gonna use. And the next one is this MAC palette. Shout out to Zinnia, my boo, who's letting me borrow that one. And then this palette I actually got off of Amazon. It's a no brand name palette, but it just has like a lot of pretty colors and it's cool. It works for me. Pretty gorgeous, you know. So these are the three main palettes that I'm going to use in this look today. Okay, and just let me know in the comment section if you do want me to tell you each time I put on a different color. But for this video, I'm just gonna, you know, do the damn thing, you know, and see what we come up with. So I'm pretty sure most of y'all have seen Mean Girls, one of my favorite movies of all time. And I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all can go like word for word on Mean Girls, and when you're watching it, as like I can, because it's a classic. Like, it's so freaking funny, and it's just comical. The story is cute. I just love that movie. And I was watching it the other night and I was just like when I get video ideas, I'll have to write it down. Excuse me. When I get video ideas, I have to write it down. So I was watching Mean Girls and I was like, you know, the part where they was like, on Wednesdays we wear pink. I've posted like that as a caption before, wearing pink makeup. And I realized I never done a pink look. Well, I have done a pink look before, but I wanted to do a pink look on my channel, like a fun, cute little pink look. So that's what we're doing today, you know? Just popping a pink color to start with all over our crease. This is like a bubblegum pink, so super cute. Who's y'all favorite character on Mean Girls? Let me know in the comment section. I can't speak. My favorite character is probably Karen. I'm gonna have to say Karen because she's special, whatever, a little slow, but she's just like in her own world. Like, that's what I love about her. Me and her can relate because underneath this, I do have blonde, like, you know, hair or whatever. I'm not even gonna lie. I have my slow moments. So that's probably another reason why I relate to her, because, you know, we both kind of slow, but but we still, you know, get it together. Like, in life, we march to the beat of our own drum, you know, and I just love that. I feel like she's herself. And I don't know, I have the DVD, so I don't know if you guys watch DVDs or whatever, you know, the special features. I watch the special features on DVDs. Yes, I am one of those people. And one thing that they said on the special features on the Mean Girls DVD was that Lindsay Lohan actually tried out for the parts of Regina George. And I was just like, really? Like, I don't think I could see that movie, you know, going any other way besides Rachel Adams being Regina George and Lindsay Lohan being Katie. Like, the movie, I'm so happy the producers or whoever did not pick her to be Regina George, because I don't think it would have turned out the same. It probably would have been still good, but I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the burgundy or whatever to deepen that crease up a little more. But yeah, so on the special features, they were talking about how Lindsay Lohan was supposed to be Regina George, and I'm so happy that they did not do that. You have a special guest in the building. You want to come on camera, Shotty? Good. Amanda, she's camera shy. Say hey. Hey. Okay, just deepening that up. But for Halloween, I'm thinking of being like Regina George, and nobody better steal my Halloween idea. I see y'all lurking and watching. Lurking, watching, not subscribing. Don't steal my Halloween costume idea. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. If y'all hear some background noises, they're doing like some construction or something outside. So they're being a little rude, but it's cool. It is cool. Ooh, I like how that deepened up and looks pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna go and make that even more deeper. Or should we do a halo eye? I don't know, guys, I love my halo eyes. So I think I want to do, guess what? A halo eye. Okay. I know this is supposed to be like a pink look, but I'm going to add a little bit of purple. Give it some contrast or whatever. So we're going to focus the purple on the outer and inner eye. So just start by packing it on the outer eye and working your way up in the crease. Ooh, okay. I'll see. And just kind of build around your eye, leaving that space in the middle for a pretty color. Ooh, gorgeous. That's pretty. You go, Glenn Coco. How is it that Glenn Coco like had not one word in that movie and everybody knows who Glenn Coco is? That's so funny to me. I know. Again, just packing that on the inner and outer part of your eye, leaving space in the middle and blending it up in the crease. Don't forget your outer V shape though. One eye always looks better than the other, but it's okay. So you guys know my last video when I did a half cut crease, that yellow color was super blotchy and it was driving me crazy, and I had to do a whole another look a little bit. So I'm not going to use that same concealer that I used the last time. I'm going to use a different one. I'm not going to cut my crease, but I am, however, going to put a little bit of concealer to make the shimmer color pop even more. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now that our eyes are prepped for the shimmer color, I'm going to go in with a pretty color for my halo eye. And just pack it on there. Like so. Ooh. This is giving me vibes. It's such a vibe. Oh, that's pretty. I actually went over a little too much. I think I got concealer happy. But we can fix it, y'all. We can fix it. Like that. It's like tasty. Tasty on the eye. You guys, let me tell you how emotional I am. So when I was prepping my eyes, I was watching Tarzan. And I just get so emotional on these movies, and I don't know why. Like, I never seen Tarzan before. Like, and yes, I still watch Disney movies. Y'all know y'all do too. I actually want to add a little bit more of a pop because it's pretty, but it's not popping how I want it to pop. So I'm going to add on top of that it's like a, what do they call it? Transparent? Is that what you call it? Something like that. But anyway, I'm going to add that on top of that pink color. And let's see if it pops a little more. Just dead in the middle. Ooh, yes. Ooh. Ooh, there it goes. That's the pop I be looking for. Because, you know, we extra over here. Ooh, that's pretty. Damn. All right, bitch. I'm gonna cut that. Or maybe not. Sometimes I shock my damn self. Like, the fuck? That's crazy. Okay. And now I gotta add, you already know, inner tear duct color. Usually I would put like a gold or something, but we're gonna switch it up today. Two worlds, one family. And pop that like that. That's cute. Would y'all be here for Mean Girls 2? Or do they already have a Mean Girls 2 and I just don't know it? I wouldn't be here for it though, honestly. Some things just don't need a part 2. And my eyebrow color, my eyebrow bone color. Say that 5 times. Let's go with these ones. Let's see. Uh-oh. I done fucked up. What'd you do? I didn't think this color's gonna be that bold. Oh, I can fix it. I can fix it. Y'all know what movie that came from? It's another Disney movie. No, it's I Can Fix That. Holes. Digging up on holes. Okay, so you guys already know the deal. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my foundation off camera. I'm gonna add some popping lashes, blush, and highlights, and I'll be back to finish the look with you guys. And also adding probably like a purple on my lower lid, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm finished with the look. I added some lashes. I got some cute little, what do you call these bitches? Cute little puffs going on. I put some some lipstick, and here is the finished look. I think it's so super fun and super cute. Again, this is pink inspired. Mean Girls. On Wednesdays we wear pink. I added a little bit of, it's kind of like an orangey little color to my lower lid for an extra pop, you know how we do over here. This look was super fun to do. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys did as well. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you bang, bang, bang that notification bell. And make sure you follow me on my social media. That's DynastyBeauty_ for Instagram and Twitter. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, and if you recreate this look and you post it on Instagram, make sure you hashtag DynastyBeautyQueen. I'll see it and I'll show you some love on your Instagram as well. See you later.